Madam, the Union Budget 2026-27 has failed to live up to the government's vision of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, particularly in the case of railways. The priorities of the government seem to favor corporate interests and high-profile projects rather than addressing the needs of the common passenger and the working class who depend on Indian railways for transport services every day. And Madam, given the global scenario, energy scenario today, all the more reason why government should invest more heavily in public transport. While the government has highlighted record allocations for railway safety, and when we look at Kavach automatic train protection system, which is meant to improve safety and prevent collisions, it is currently operational on only 1,300 to 1,500 kilometers of the vast railway network. Madam, publicity cannot replace real safety management. The budget also reflects lackluster growth in both passenger and freight traffic. Chairperson, Madam, while discussing the National Railway budget, we must also consider regional development. Haryana has repeatedly raised several railway projects that remain pending or slow-moving. These include improved rail connectivity for Hisar Airport, strengthening of the Hisar-Sirsa corridor, the long-pending Yamunanagar-Chandigarh railway line, freight infrastructure for industrial clusters such as Manesar and Panipat, and capacity expansion on heavily used commuter routes connecting Haryana to Delhi. Addressing these issues would significantly improve transport efficiency and support economic growth across whole of northern India. Madam, through you, I would like to bring to the notice of the Honorable Railway Minister that Haryana is one of India's fastest growing economic regions, yet railway infrastructure has not kept pace with its industrial and agricultural expansion. The railway budget must recognize this reality and prioritize connectivity improvements in the state. Haryana is one of India's richest states. It contributes about 3 to 4% of India's GDP, and it's a major contributor to food grain procurement. It's one of the largest manufacturing hubs in northern India. Madam, its industrial clusters include Gurugram Manesar Auto Hub, Panipat Petrochemicals and Textiles, Faridabad Engineering Sector, Sonipat Industrial Corridor. Despite this economic weight, Haryana receives relatively modest railway infrastructure expansion compared with its industrial importance. Although Haryana is a major contributor to the national economy, yet railway infrastructure has not kept pace, Madam. Freight share in Haryana's logistics remains lower than its potential, largely due to limited rail freight terminals. A large portion of Haryana's freight currently moves by road rather than rail. Haryana has a rapidly growing workforce commuting to the national capital region. The railway system serving daily commuters between Haryana and Delhi has not expanded proportionately to the population growth in this region. There's a major rail connectivity gap in western Haryana as well. Districts such as Hisar, Fatehbad, Sirsa have historically had weaker railway connectivity compared with the other areas. These districts are major agricultural regions producing cotton, wheat, rice, mustard, etc. Improved rail freight could help transport agricultural produce much more efficiently. Honorable Chairperson, Madam, I would like to draw the attention of the Honorable Railway Minister to the problems faced in Haryana and also in my parliamentary constituency, Sirsa. People of Haryana have long been demanding better railway connectivity. And one of the major demands is to strengthen the rail network. Hisar-Sirsa new railway line, I had discussed this issue with Honorable Railway Minister last week as well. The new Hisar-Sirsa railway line aims to connect Fatehabad passing through Agroha, which is a major pilgrimage center for the Agarwal community throughout India and the world, I would say. And fulfilling this long-standing demand will improve lot of connectivity in this region. This project would enhance transportation infrastructure, bridging the gap between Sirsa and Fatehabad districts in Haryana, as also connecting the major pilgrimage center of Agroha. The Yamunanagar-Chandigarh railway line via Narayangarh and Sardora has also been a long pending demand of the region. As of February 2025, the estimated cost of the project is 901 crore. However, the progress on ground is zero, unfortunately. Madam, I urge the Honorable Railway Minister to increase the frequency of daily fast trains on the Delhi-Sirsa route. We also have a demand to extend the Prayagraj-Bhiwani train सिरसा तक बढ़ाएं, जिससे लोगों को आने जाने में खास तौर से श्रद्धालुओं को बहुत ज़्यादा सहूलियत हो जाएगी। एक और डिमांड है, वो है वंदे भारत ट्रेन बठिंडा से दिल्ली तक सिरसा से वाया सिरसा। A washing line facility will soon start at Hanumangarh. Therefore, an intercity train हनुमानगढ़ और दिल्ली के बीच में एलनाबाद और सादुलपुर से होते हुए नई अगर हो जाए तो इसका बहुत पूरे रीजन को फ़ायदा हो जाएगा। या फिर श्रीधाम सुपरफास्ट एक्सप्रेस है जो अभी एग्जिस्टिंग है, उसको हनुमानगढ़ तक बढ़ाया जा सकता है। मेरा अपना गांव है उकलाना, वहाँ पर रेलवे ओवरब्रिज बन रहा है, लेकिन बहुत समय लग रहा है, उसमें बहुत स्लो प्रोग्रेस है और उसके नीचे डिमांड है, और जो कि एक जायज़ डिमांड है कि वहाँ पर एक अंडरपास हो। तो मैं माननीय रेलवे मंत्री से आग्रह करूँगी कि वहाँ अंडरपास ज़रूर बनवाया जाए, उसकी प्लान को देख लिया जाए। और मैडम, मैं आपके समक्ष मेरे सिरसा से संबंधित थोड़ी और मांगे और सुझाव रखना चाहूँगी माननीय रेल मंत्री के सामने। सिरसा महम रोहतक दिल्ली वाया नई इंटरसिटी रेलवे एक्सप्रेस रेलवे सेवा शुरू की जाए। इससे पूरे एरिया को एक बहुत अच्छे से इसमें हमारे पैसेंजर्स मूव कर पाएंगे। गाड़ी संख्या 14891/92 जोधपुर हिसार एक्सप्रेस का विस्तार किया जाए और सिरसा और बठिंडा तक इसे ले जाया जाए। चंडीगढ़ हिसार रेल सेवा का विस्तार सिरसा तक किया जाए। सिरसा चंडीगढ़ वाया अंबाला एक नई सीधी रेल सेवा प्रारंभ करेंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा। सिरसा दिल्ली के बीच प्रतिदिन चलने वाली गाड़ियों की संख्या कृपया बढ़ा दें। गाड़ी संख्या 20483/20484 दादर भगत की कोठी का विस्तार हनुमानगढ़ तक कर दिया जाए। और रेलगाड़ियों के ठहराव के बारे में मैं 2-3 केवल बात करना चाहूँगी। अजमेर उनको भट्टू स्टेशन पर रोकने के लिए अजमेर अमृतसर एक्सप्रेस, माता वैष्णो देवी कटरा एक्सप्रेस, साबरमती एक्सप्रेस, त्रिपुरा सुंदरी एक्सप्रेस और सिरसा के डिंग मंडी रेलवे स्टेशन पर इन गाड़ियों को अगर रोका जाए। डिंग मंडी रेलवे स्टेशन पर सिरसा कोटा सिरसा एक्सप्रेस का ठहराव और फिरोजपुर मुंबई जनता एक्सप्रेस का पुनः संचालन प्रारंभ किया जाए। और अंत में मैडम मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि सिरसा इज़ अ मेजर एग्रीकल्चरल रीजन एक्सपोर्टिंग कॉटन, ग्रेन्स, पल्सेस, ऑयल सीड्स, वेजिटेबल्स and fruits such as quinoa. An advanced goods terminal or fruit terminal can be established in Sirsa to support farmers and traders. Kindly Honorable Railway Minister may look into this on priority. Passenger facilities must be improved at Sirsa and at small stations like Kalamali, Rania, Dabbali, Elnabad and Badaguda by providing clean toilet facilities, drinking water, sheds, seating and better lighting. And with these words, Madam, I thank you and urge the government to work impartially for every section of the society in every region of the country. Thank you so much.